However, today I'm probably going to be using the Wet n Wild v.i.purple palette, and I believe my friend sent this to me for my birthday or Christmas or something like that. Just a whole bunch of purples, but these are more on the like plum dark purple side. So what I did was I just primed, and then today I used the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit liquid eyeshadow, and it's this color right here. It's called Camelback, and it's honestly just like a flesh tone color. On camera it looks like it's like my skin tone, but in real life it has more of like a like kind of an orangey tint. However, I think that I could get away with it like as a just like an all over shadow when I don't want to wear like eyeshadow on my eyes and I just want to cover up like my dark circles or like the darkness up here. Anyways, so I'm gonna go in with this palette and this shade right here, and it's just like a light tan color, and I'm just gonna go in with a fluffy like crease brush kind of dealio. Just go like that. So today I had to take my husband to work, and then after that, well, after I dropped him off at work, I had to like go right to this place. It's called PA Career Link, and it's like it was a mandatory. It's like a mandatory session. They just went over how to sign up for a workshop, so that was fun. Not really, but it was mandatory, so I had to do it. Do you hear the geese outside? This is like 24/7. They never leave. I think during the day they're gone, but then they come back around this time, and then all night they'll be honking. And then also there's also like a family of ducks out there because we live right next to a creek, so that's fun. Today, and then I went to my husband's job. He works at a local grocery store in the deli, and I had lunch with him. Well, it was more of like a late lunch. We just split a hoagie, and then did a little shopping. And of course, when I was walking out to the car, I dropped my phone on the screen side, so now there's like fresh new cracks. I already have cracks at like both corners of the one side. I swear my father-in-law is messing with me because every time I turn around, I'm doing something. Like in the past 3 weeks, I've broken 3 cups, like glass cups. 2 of them were my favorite. One was a Slytherin cup that I got from Walmart, and then one was a like a Budweiser or Bud Light blue like mug. But I mean, it was our favorites. And then there was one that I got from the dollar store. I just got it like last week, and it broke. So yeah, I'm batting 3 for 3 apparently. I don't know. I'm very clumsy lately. So to darken up that crease, I'm just gonna use this transition shade in this palette. I just came home and I put away all the groceries. I fed the cats, and I was just like, I need to de-stress. So I just came to my desk and started putting makeup on. Like, that is one of the ways that I like to de-stress. I like to either do my makeup, or I like to watch something on TV, which we don't have cable anymore because ever since I lost my job, which my job was like connected to my father-in-law, so when he passed away, I lost my job. We're trying to cut costs at all, like at all we're trying to cut all costs at any like possible. So we don't have cable, we don't have house phone. The only thing we have is internet, which is a fast speed because Tommy plays PlayStation, so you know, men in their games, they have to have like the best speeds of internet or whatever, Wi-Fi, whatever you want to call it. So we don't have cable anymore, but we do. I do have like Netflix and Hulu, um, Disney Plus. So lately, I've been binging House MD. Does anybody remember that show? It has Hugh Laurie and Omar Epps and Jennifer Morrison. It's such a good show, and I used to watch it when it was on TV before the series ended, and I was obsessed. Now this was gonna be a long video because I feel very talkative today. I also had a monster Java, or I had a Java monster, so I kind of have energy. I'm just blending. Sorry if I don't tell you exactly like what I'm doing. But anyways, I've been binging House MD, and I'm on like season 3, and it just brings back all these memories because me and my best friend used to like either text. Yeah, we used to text like while watching it. So those were the days. I shadow brush like this one. I'm just gonna pick up this shade right here and just apply that. It's not the most pigmented, but I'm pretty sure if I had like a lighter base, it would have been. But anyways, as I was saying, yeah, I've been binging House and job searching and all that fun jazz, so that is not showing up at all. Like on the camera it looks like it's showing up, but it's not showing up at all, so that sucks. It'll have to do for right now because it's because I didn't use a like brighter base, I think, unless this light is like washing it out in real life, but you live and you learn. Do you see this girl? I don't know what she's looking at, but she's always looking at something. And please excuse the wind. Apparently, whoa, you guys are shaky, That's, I guess, about as good as it's going to get. I'm not really like loving it, but what are you gonna do? I think I'm gonna deepen up this a little bit just because I'm feeling a little lackluster. I'm gonna use that gold, but decided against it. Anyways, like I said, I'm just gonna use, it's like a dark purple, like a black, but it's a dark plum. Well, not plum, it's a dark purple. I don't even know if this is making it any better. So how have you guys been liking the every other upload? I've been trying to put out more content because I don't want to have a huge gap in videos anymore, and I do want to like not make this my career because I don't want YouTube to be my career. I already have a career in mind and I'm in the process of making that happen, but I do want to like be more active on YouTube because I really do like YouTube. So let me know if you guys think I'm doing too much or if it's like perfect. And I'm just using this fluffy blending brush. It's a synthetic brush from Coastal Scents. I really need to get more because it's my favorite. And I looked on their website and they don't have the numbers anymore. But in one of my videos I did link it, so it's the same brush, but it just doesn't have the numbers anymore. I haven't ordered from Coastal Scents in a very, very long time, so I don't know. I think I'm on the fence. And then I'm just gonna go into this palette. It's the Elf Mad for Matte. And I'm just gonna use this shade right here. It's just a matte cream color. Just gonna go in a random brush. I think it looks muddy. Maybe it's just me, but it's not the best eye look I've ever done. And that was mainly my fault because I tried to, you know, veer off onto something else. But anyhow, I think today I'm actually gonna do some liners, so I'm gonna do that off camera, and then I'll probably also do my brows and mascara and liner, well, waterline liner and stuff, and I'll be back. So we're just going to add some liner underneath the eyes, and we're gonna pretend that these wings are not chunky as all hell. Today was just not a very good liner day. I don't know, today is just not a good makeup day, but I'm just gonna roll with it because I don't know. But anyways, I'm just gonna put this brown shade underneath the eyes, and I'm going in with that with a like flat brush. When I was driving home today from my unemployment thing, I stopped by the new TJ Maxx that they just put in, and they didn't have any good makeup selection. However, I did see that the old Toys R Us that used to be there is now going to be in Ulta, so that is amazing because that's closer to me. And then also the other week my husband and I were down that way again, and I saw that they had a like Sephora store. Now we have a Sephora, but it's in the JCPenney and it's tiny, so to have like an actual like standalone Sephora store, amazing. Even though I rarely shop there, but still, when I get money, that'll be nice to go to. Their line is a dark purple. It's called No Shame. It's from ColourPop. It's their cream gel liner thingamabob. And then I'm just gonna put some mascara on my lower lash line. I did not contour. I'm just gonna do a little bit of a contour. Where is it? I'm just gonna use the Real Techniques medium sculpting brush and mixed taupe. Whoa. There we go. I'm just gonna go in with Mellow Wine. It's just a like darkish wine color. It just looks like that. And I'm just gonna go in with a Wine Wild angled blush brush. And be careful with this color because it's pigmented. Some highlighter. And we're just going to use the After Sex Glow for Wet n Wild fan brush. And this is the Real Techniques fan brush. And I'm going to go in with this shade right here. It's kind of like a coppery rose gold, maybe. That's really pretty. Now some on my nose. Because why not? I like highlighting. Now all that is left is lips, and today I'm going to be using the LA Colors Intense Color Lip Gloss in Kitten, and it wasn't that bad for a lip gloss. It's not heavy at all, and the color is really nice. I can't remember, well, I can't find the other color that I got, the nude one. I don't know what happened to it. So anyways, this is the finished look. Like, I don't hate it. However, I like the wing on this side, but this eye kind of needs a little bit of help. I'm just not going to worry about it because I'm not going anywhere. But yeah, so this is what I did today. If you guys enjoyed, give me a like, and if you have any questions or have any video ideas or anything, leave a comment down below. All my links will be down below. So yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Have a good day.